Another ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. It's your DJ Kelvin Pesa, and today we took a trade from this point. You can see where we put our entry. So we waited for this market to take out liquidity, and then we entered our trade at this point. So we were targeting 1:2. Our stop loss was at this point 45.02. And you can see that we never experienced any drawdown. Actually, the market has been on a bullish trend since then. So we had a previous trade that we took, and here it is. First we had a stop loss, so it automatically went to take profit. So this is the second lot size of 1.02 with a leverage of and with an unlimited leverage. So as I always say, each and every day is a winning day. So I'm just waiting for it to. We've already gotten to the New York time, so we give it time and see it will still continue pumping up or it will change market direction. So on the 5 minutes time frame, you can come and see that it has taken out all these liquidities from the top on the first time frame. On the first time frame, still has some time, some bit of catching up for it to get to this point of 45.87. Still has that time, because today the market opened and then with a sharp drop. Today is on 29 there. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what happened. Yeah, the market opened with an upward trend, which is a bullish movement, and right now it's clearly dropping. So let's wait and see. You can see on the 5 minutes time frame there is so much drop. We can call it a retracement, or can just wait and see what will happen over here. Yeah. So guys, those one that want to get into the trade can wait for this pullback to end from this point. Let's see from this point or there to this point. Wait for it to get to this zone, this discounted zone of 50, below 50%, using the Fibonacci tool, and then you can place more buys. So let's wait and see if it will give us a clear down trade, or it will give us a small retracement, and then we pump all the way up. On the 1 hour time frame, there's still liquidity above at this zone of 45. You can see over here 45.79. Yeah, there's still liquidity to be cleared. Those guys that want to get into buys, wait for a sharp reaction from this zone of 50% and below. If you get a sharp reaction, you can get in for the buys. You can place another buy order, and then we target all the way to 45.83. They still underlying liquidity on that side. Let's see how the 15 minutes candle closes. It seems to be closing very bearish with so much momentum. When you come to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see there's so much momentum. Yeah, so let's wait and see. Let's wait for this 5 minutes candle to close. It will close exactly with the 15 minutes candle, and then from there we'll see a complete, it's either a complete break of structure. We've already had a complete break of structure in the 5 minutes. The previous 15 minutes, let's wait and see if we'll get a complete break of structure, followed by a change of character. If it breaks below the 38.2%, just know that the market has completely changed direction. This 15 minutes candle, let's wait and see 1 minute 45 seconds on how it will close. Then from there now you can know either to brace for buys or to brace for more continuous bearish movement. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks like that. The 15 there's still massive bearish momentum. And see, this is the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, Let's see what's happening here. 1 minute time frame. Looks like we'll have a complete change of direction. Let's see, 15. I will go back to the 3 minutes time frame and see. The 3 minutes time frame, we don't have clear direction. So for those people that wanted to take buys, you can take your buys from this point, targeting the 45.52, and your stop loss should be below this zone, the 45.21. The 15 minutes has closed just above the discounted zone. So let's wait and see. This video could take long, so I don't want it to be so long. It's already at 10 minutes, I'm already at 11 minutes, so let's see what's happening. In the 1 minute time frame, we also don't have a clear break of structure. We could have a very sharp turn. So you can wait for that sharp turn and then you get into your buys. In 1 minute, what's happening? 1 minute. Yeah, and then on the 1 minute we've gotten a clear entry point, so can go for buys now. So we place one and then on this our stop loss, place our stop loss just below there, just below the 23, and then the take profit all the way to 45, 45.50, then modify, and there we go. So here we are. You can see a chance we're getting a very strong sharp turn. If you want to see the market clearly, you can go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 minute time frame, sorry. You can see that the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. We have this higher high. This was a break of structure already. Then we got another higher high, or higher low. We're creating another higher low, high, a low, and that, and so on and so on. So go back to the 15 or the 5 minute time frame, you see it clearly that we are getting a very sharp turn. Let's come also to this, put our stop loss the same place here. Then I'll take profit all the way to this zone or this place. Then we modify. So from there we just give it time to either to stop loss or to take profit. And that's it. That's how you simplify your trades. Thank you guys for watching. It's your DJ Kelvin Pesa. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's hit 3,000 subscribers. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Remember, patience and the trend is your friend.